A young woman from Makhanda, Gugulethu Mahlangu, is proving that farming can be modern, sustainable, and beneficial to the community.
Happy Women's Month. My name is Gugulethu Mahlangu. I am the CEO of House Harvest.
Mahlangu is the founder and CEO of House Harvest, a youth-owned, female-led aquaponics farm based in West Hill, Makhanda, under the Makhanda local municipality in the Sarabatman district. The enterprise produces a variety of vegetables, herbs, indigenous crops, and fish. Aquaponics is an innovative farming system that combines fish farming with crop production. Fish waste provides nutrients for the plants, while the plants help naturally filter the water. This allows crops to be grown with significantly less water and without the need for harmful chemicals. Mahlangu's journey into aquaponics began in 2021 when she worked at an aquaponics farm. As a farming graduate from the University of South Africa, the experience inspired her to establish her own enterprise. 2 years ago, she founded House Harvest, and the business has continued to grow. Today, the farm produces spinach, lettuce, herbs, okra, African eggplant, basil, parsley, and fish. Its fresh produce is supplied to local restaurants, Pick n Pay, and customers through a community WhatsApp group. House Harvest currently employs 3 permanent workers while also creating temporary and seasonal employment opportunities for young people in the community. The enterprise has received technical support from the Department of Agriculture through agricultural extension officers, as well as funding from the Technology Innovation Agency and equipment support from private sector partners. Sustainability is at the heart of the House Harvest model. The farm uses approximately 90% less water than traditional farming, while rice plants are incorporated into the system to help naturally clean the water. Mahlangu is also passionate about ensuring that other young people and women see agriculture as an industry filled with opportunity. Through House Harvest, she hosts free workshops to introduce members of the community to aquaponics and equip aspiring farmers with practical knowledge. She encourages women to come on board in greater numbers and play an active role in the agricultural sector. Looking to the future, Mahlangu hopes to expand the House Harvest model across the Eastern Cape. She is also developing a center of innovation and entrepreneurship that will provide young people with opportunities to learn about aquaponics, entrepreneurship, and sustainable farming.
When you want to venture into farming, it is very important for you to know that as a woman, you can do just about anything you put your mind to. Farming needs us women in the space because when you empower a woman, you empower a community. And I believe that aquaponics can provide us with stability, economic opportunities, because aquaponics is a model where you grow food in a greenhouse and you grow 2 for 1. You grow your vegetables as well as your fish. So you are able to diversify, you're able to train other women, and you're also able to make a living. So I encourage you to look at other ways to grow. There are so many opportunities in the green sector.
Lo myalezo ni uphathelwe liSebe lezoLimo.